The School of Chemistry is found in the impressive main building, part of Cardiff Civic Centre. The School of Chemistry provides a really stimulating and friendly environment in which to learn, and as students here we have access to the most modern technology and equipment available, and we expose the very latest scientific thinking.
My name is Catherine Brooks and I'm going to give you a short introduction as to what it's like to study chemistry at Cardiff University. Earlier today I met up with Professor Peter Knowles, Head of School. How would you describe the School of Chemistry at Cardiff?
The school is both a leading international research institute and an outstanding place for students to be educated. And these two aspects actually go hand in hand. One's impossible without the other. In particular, good research needs an outstanding generation of new students coming in. The school has undergone somewhat of a renaissance in recent years. There's been significant investment both in recruiting new staff and also in the facilities that we use for our research and education. We're very proud of our position as Wales's leading chemistry department, but we're also actually more proud of our status as a leading European and worldwide research and education institution.
What opportunities are there for studying abroad or in industry as part of the degree?
Some which degree streams have been very well established in Cardiff. We've been running them for about 15 years now. And they're ideal for students who want to experience an area of chemistry to test whether they want to pursue a career in it. They all have the common feature that the third year is spent away from Cardiff. And there are two sorts of these schemes. The first is an overseas placement predominantly based on research in a university. Usually these are built on research collaborations that exist within the school. And they really amplify the important aspect of synergy between teaching and research. We place students at universities in France, Germany, Australia, California. The other kind of sandwich course involves an industrial placement, and we involve all aspects of the chemical industry, for example pharmaceuticals, food technology, polymers, the oil industry.
Will I get to experience the research environment as part of my degree?
In the final year of your degree programme, you'll be involved in a research project. And this means that, for example, in the M-Chem programme, that half of your final year will be spent working in a research laboratory alongside more experienced researchers doing a piece of chemistry that's completely new. You'll get to experience the research environment. You'll also actually get to do the research yourself, and providing you do it well, you get to publish it. We feel this is a really important part of our educational programme, and it's actually one that students are really keen on. More than 40% of our students go on to do further research as part of a PhD degree.
And why would you recommend that students should apply to study chemistry here at Cardiff?
Chemistry is an excellent basis for a career, not only in chemistry and related areas, but also in a range of disciplines, because studying chemistry develops numeracy, literacy, problem solving. We offer a small number of degree programmes which embrace all aspects of the subject. The focus on quality with a significant practical aspect. We've recently revised our entire programme with a view to developing a course that's holistic and not just a collection of topics, but emerging with a choice of specialist modules in later years. We use a range of teaching methods, lectures, tutorials, workshops, but with significant hands-on experience of research, and of course we take mentoring and personal tutoring very seriously.
Thank you very much for your time, Professor Knowles.
Well, you're very welcome. It's been a real pleasure.
Lectures are the principal way in which you are taught at university. The majority of the material that you learn is presented in the form of lectures. Typically, there are about 10 lectures per week, each of which is an hour long. University is rather different to school. Here the learner takes much more responsibility for his or her education. At university, the task of a lecturer is to help you to know what to study and to act as a pace setter as you progress through your course.
In each of your lectures, the lecturer will discuss some aspect of chemistry. It is then up to you to actively learn and expand upon this material.
The material covered in your lectures is supplemented with a variety of smaller group teaching sessions. These typically take up about 3 or 4 hours per week. Tutorials and seminars are a good opportunity to clear up any difficulties that you may be having and to seek advice. This less formal environment encourages students to make their own contributions to the discussions, making these sessions very rich learning environments. As well as the time spent covering the theoretical aspects of chemistry, you will spend about 10 hours per week in practical sessions, conducting experiments, performing chemical transformations and characterising the products. These practical sessions are designed to help you to develop your hands-on skills and to help you to confirm for yourself the things that you've been taught in your lectures. The School of Chemistry works hard to help each student to make the transition to university by providing additional support in some key areas. For example, the university has invested significantly in modern computing facilities, which all chemistry students can make use of. Trained staff are available to offer help and support. If you would like to explore further the opportunity to study chemistry at Cardiff, then please contact the admissions officer.
I hope you found this short introduction really useful, and I wish you well with your future studies wherever they take you.